Did you know you can roast butternut squash without the prep work? So no peeling, no chopping, no dealing with those slimy little seeds. Just stick it in the oven, roast it whole, so no seasonings, no spices, no anything. And then when it's done, just peel off the skin. You can get in there with your fingers, you can peel it with a knife, whatever works for you. I like to mash the roasted squash almost into like a puree and then portion it into small containers and keep it in the fridge. You can use it for all kinds of things like soups, sauces. It's excellent in homemade curries and of course, muffins. Isn't this so much better than struggling?